So guys, we have several clips. Let's bring them one by one to the timeline. Move the third one to layer 2, fourth one to layer 3. Now select the first clip, go to right side, adjustment, let's make it black and white, saturation 0, then the curve, move the slider a little bit. Also suppose you want to add some blur effect, for that go to effect, video effect, lens, blur, left click, drag and drop, move the slider to reduce the blur. Suppose we are happy with this. Now if we select the second clip, as you can see this one is not black and white. So how can we apply same effect to all of our clips? It's really simple. Select the first clip, go to adjustment. At the bottom right side we have the option apply to all. Single left click. Now all of the clips are black and white, but there is a problem here. All clips are now black and white, but there is no blur. So how can we apply blur to all of them? Just left click, drag and drop to separate layer. Then increase the size. Now adjust the blur value. Now we have blur on all of them. Now suppose we don't want to apply blur on this clip. For that, move the playhead. This will auto snap to the start of the clip. Then select the effect layer. Ctrl B to cut, or we can press on here. Then move the playhead again. Ctrl B. Select the part, delete. Done. No blur, blur, blur. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.